Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power and basic connectivity. This is where most fixes begin. Check battery or phantom power and replace or recharge if below 20%. Next, inspect physical cables and connectors for breaks, corrosion, or loose pins. Once done, plug the mic into a second device to see if it works elsewhere. That quickly isolates whether the problem is the mic or your original system. If it passes that test, move to software and internal checks next. You now address drivers, routing, and wiring because electrical connections and software often conflict. Update or reinstall the mic driver or USB audio interface driver. Make sure the OS input selection and gain are correct, and turn off exclusive access and automatic gain control. Then swap in a known good cable or adapter, XLR, TRS, or USB, to eliminate intermittent wires. Once the signal appears in your DAW or voice app, monitor levels and disable enhancements so you can see the true mic behavior before you open or repair hardware. You finish by addressing internal hardware and running definitive tests. If you hear crackling or no output, open the mic to inspect capsule alignment, solder joints on the PCB, and XLR or USB connector pins. Reflow any cold joints with the right temperature and flux. If the capsule or preamp module is faulty, replace with the correct model part. Once repaired, record a dry sample, listen for noise floor and distortion, and test the mic on multiple devices and apps. If problems
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.